Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Good to see you after a long time. So after the huge success of exception handling series, I like to bring new series on multi-threading in Java programming. So I believe that multi-threading is one important aspect without which Java programming is incomplete in a sense. So starting with basics like what is basically a thread, the various priorities of thread life cycle, the inter-thread communication methods, how they work with each other. I will be uploading videos on various topics and followed by some advanced level topic like executive framework, countdown latch and other topics. So this would be indeed series of few videos, more like at least some you can expect some 780 videos on it. So stay tuned to keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMeet. Be ready for the new series on multi-threading. So bye for now.